Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Shimmer once again. If you guys are new to my channel, then I'm Maria and I make videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle and all that fun stuff. So if you guys want to stay updated about all the fun stuffs which I upload, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, moving on, today I'm going to do an unboxing video and it's my favorite affordable subscription box, which is the GlamEgo Box, and this is the March GlamEgo Box. And I'm really sorry that I have uploaded this video very late. It's just because I was traveling a bit and I just couldn't shoot the video because of all the traveling. So yeah, I'm really sorry about it, but it's never too late. So I just quickly thought of shooting the video and uploading it. So this is how the March GlamEgo Box looks like. It's a very pretty blush nude color box on which it's written GlamEgo, India's #1 beauty box, and it has some floral prints as well. So let me just open and show you guys what all I received this month. So there's a card here in which all the products are mentioned, and also this is their anniversary exclusive edition. So they also have sent a gift card in which you guys can get some cashback. So this is the card and this is the info card. So let's just get into the products. So the first product we have is from Bliss of Earth Motherly Care with Love. It's their mineral rich and natural Moroccan red clay. So it's basically a clay mask and it deep cleanses, exfoliates and detoxifies your skin. The country of origin is Morocco and the form of this mask is powder. So you guys can actually mix it up with rose water or cucumber juice or just plain fresh water and apply this on your skin, and it will do wonders on your skin as it claims. So yeah, this is a clay mask and I love applying a clay mask on my face. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. And they have provided with 100 grams of products, and the price for this one is $4.99, which means we already covered the GlamEgo box price. So yeah, this is the first product. Then we have is a makeup product and it's from Jovis. It's the new signature kajal with extra smooth tip, and the shade I have received is deepest black, and it claims to last up to 12 hours, which is really good. So it also claims that it's smudge free. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this product as well because I've never tried any makeup products from Jovis. So yeah, I've definitely tried the skincare but not makeup range. So yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward to use this. The price for this one is 190 rupees and we are getting a net weight of 0.3 gram of product. So yeah, this is the second product. Then we have is something from Perrine. Perrine, I don't know how it's pronounced. It spells P-E-R-E-N-N-E, so it's Perrine. And it's a Radiance Day Cream. I guess it's a sample size product. Maybe it's a new cosmetic brand, I guess. It's a sample size product and it's a 5 gram of product, which is worth 160 rupees. And you can get a full size product for 1599 rupees. So this is basically a Radiance Day Cream and it claims to be completely natural, which is good. It does have a mild scent to it, which is nice, and the texture of it is quite creamy and it does give a little bit of sheen on your skin. So yeah, I am actually excited to try this and excited to know how it works for me. So yeah, let me just try this, and if it works for me, definitely gonna buy the full size product. Then the last product in this month's box we have is again a makeup product. It's from Bella Voste and it's their Ultra Matte Chubby Stick. I have received a lot of Bella Voste bullet lipsticks in their Ultra Creme and Ultra Satin variants, but I've never received a chubby sticks. So really excited to try this one as well. It's formulated in Italy and we have a net weight of 3.8 grams of product, and the price for this one is 499 rupees, and I'm in the shade Hypnotic Rose 06. I thought it was going to be some pink shade, but it's basically a deep red shade and it's definitely going to look good on Indian skin tones. So yeah, definitely happy to receive this product because I love this kind of reds. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one as well. So these were all the products which I received in my March GlamEgo box. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked the products as well. If you did, then don't forget to get your own GlamEgo March box. So yeah, I'll mention all the details in the info box below, so do check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.